So I'm going for it, and I'm going to just be grateful for what the magic of the resin does. Just embrace it. It's going to do wonderful things. So I think I'm going to do a great big pour, and I'm just going to enjoy spreading it around a little bit. So if you wanted to really get in there, use your hands. Just don't be worried about it. So I'm going to pop a little bit of my cell creator in the middle and kind of just have some interaction, an area of interest.
Okay.
Now, you don't need very much. It's going to go crazy. So it's very, very dominant, okay? So I'm just taking a lollipop scraping, and I scrape the bottom of my stick as I go from the pot. Okay. And I'm just doing a little trail of white in the middle, just a little thin line. And if you look closely on yours, you'll notice it's already trying to break up into little cells.
Yeah.
Can you see that? It's like a long worm.
Yeah.
Doing its magic. So just add a little bit to start with, because you can always add more. And then we blow it with the heat tool, okay? I'm going to shift it up. I don't want it to go down, but you might want to shift yours down into your white waves so it looks like a frothy tide line. You might want to do that. So think about which way you're going to send it, okay?